Advocacy has touched everything that I've done in my legal career, everything I've done outside of my legal career when I'm trying to accomplish something. And then as a judge, again, I'm completely dependent on the quality of the information that I'm given by the parties who are advocating before me, and that's what I make my decisions on. My job is I'm only able to do it as well as the advocates before me.
One of the things I've really liked about the focus in law schools on advocacy in the recent past is the difference I can see it making already in the people I see in court. Some of the best advocates I've seen in the last year are quite young, are in their first 3-4 years of practice.
I've been teaching advocacy at the school since 1992. It reminds me what I'm looking for in a courtroom. It reminds me what it is, the people who are talking to me about trying to get their cases done, what they should be doing.
It isn't. The cases that end up going to trial aren't the cases that are really clear-cut. And a good advocate can make arguments and find the gray areas where there is room for disagreement and figure out how to persuade their audience that there is a gray area and there is another way of looking at it.
Facts matter. Law matters. But there's plenty of times where the advocacy is what wins the day. There's attorneys out there that have been practicing for 15, 20 years who haven't practiced that much. And some of the younger lawyers who are doing a lot of things like this, this class, it's clearly showing. Law
school is the best opportunity to take those classes and get those skills and practice in an environment where, you know, the risks are low.
One of the ways, the unseen ways I think that advocacy helps, and I see it in my classes all the time, the person who comes in who's a little sheepish, who says, I can't talk and I'm really going to be a transaction lawyer and decides I'm never going to do this, comes to the end of the class and goes, you know, this isn't that hard. I can do this. And I said, we said that from the beginning. And so they become more confident about what they are able to do, and that makes all the difference in the world.